This is the old preparing rice in Nigeria. As your grandmother is. Hi guys, welcome to, I am going to be oil rice. This idea of rice, curry, wrong jollof rice. That was a foundation. And if the foundation, nothing the righteous can, is the original. You might call it concoction. We all started before. I don't understand what people are cooking. How can you cook pineapple rice and coconut rice? Today, I'm going to be making known as ori. People make it differently. Okay? So this is what your palm oil. All you have freshly tomatoes and eggs from your village garden. Enough. And then you have some like dried fish, the head soup normally. It is enough. Then you have some crayfish, fish, or okporoko. That you normally use before you eat the rice. That rice had chaff. And you blow it and finish blowing it. Okay, then you will back like rice. It is local to us today. Bio by selling to us today. Very, very. That is what we used to eat. That was when called patience. So you can never ever eat rice. Before they said rice, which is also known to that of, and that rice was health school. I don't know what dress in this new school anymore. Anyway, if you're on this, so this is rice. It's not this was where we all started it. That time we did original iron pot. Never. This is local rice. I hope sometimes you're tired of different taste and thank me industry. Salad, okay, thank you.